Hi children, hope you all are doing well. You might have learned about different directions like north, south, east, west. So today we are going to draw that. For that, first select up arrow, black color, draw arrow like this. Then fill color inside. I'm selecting green color. Now check whether transparent selection has take. Now select, copy, paste. Now we are going to rotate this. Rotate right 90. Place here. Paste. Go for the second option. Rotate left 90. Place like this. One more paste. Rotate 180. Now rounded rectangle using black color. Select fill color and selecting blue color. Blue color is not good. We can select yellow color. Okay. Now here we are going to name the directions. Okay. I'm going to change the font size to 16 and color to red. This is north. This is south. This is west. And this is east. So once you finish, you can write your name and class here. I'm going to change the font size to 80. Okay, here you can use any color. I'm selecting red color itself. Okay. So this is the activity. Once you finish, you can save it with your name directions. Save. Hope it is clear. Thank you. Thank you.